Hey everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are doing well. So first I'm going to wish you all a very happy new year. And now I'm going to share my first time new year experience in USA. So we have visited in Chicago and now we are standing here. Now it is 11:44. After some times there will be fireworks for new year. And you can see huge crowds are here. People are waiting for the new year. So countdown begins. Three, two, one, and Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everyone! I hope this will be a great year. Thank you. So it's a great experience to standing here with all this crowd where everybody is shouting and saying Happy New Year. So today it is foggy and very cold here. Very cold means it is -8 degree, and we are in front of the river, that is Chicago River. So it is extremely cold. But when you will hear all those cheer of that sound, that Happy New Year, everything will looks very gorgeous. So you can see the sky is becoming red because it is very foggy and because of the fireworks, and it looks so great.